Hi friends, I'm Ravi Rajput here to explain a little bit about the One Funnel Away Challenge. So, One Funnel Away Challenge is a training program for newbies and beginners, and also for pro marketers who want to learn about the affiliate marketing and who want to grow their online business. This is one of the best training program on the internet, and the whole program is created by Russell Bunson and his team. This is the 30 days training program in which you will get daily videos with the task, and with that you can easily build or can dominate into online business. The price of this training program is $100. You have to pay just $100, and with that you can learn this whole affiliate marketing business easily. So now I will log in inside my One Funnel Away dashboard. This is the One Funnel Away training program dashboard area where you will get all your training videos. You can log in into dashboard area from anywhere and anytime and can access your training videos. This is the whole training video. Inside this you will get 30 days training, day by day, step by step, and you will learn everything related to the affiliate marketing, like how to create funnel, how to choose your product, how to choose customers, how to you promote your products, how to create funnel, how to drive traffic, copywriting, and many more things like that. And with that, you can scale your business easily. Inside this One Funnel Away Challenge area, you will get interviews of those affiliates who made more than 1 million with the help of ClickFunnels. So according to me, if you want to start your affiliate marketing business or any business you want, then this is the best training program. Inside this, you will get everything you need to start your business. If you want to join this One Funnel Away Challenge training program, then link is given in description. You can start and you can learn everything, and with that, I am sure you can easily start a successful business online.